Hello, good evening. It's Friday and I'm out here enjoying a piece of nature, and I'm working on this portrait. It should be a portrait of a little girl holding an apple, maybe. I'm just making that up. And here is how many times I had to practice this face before I drew it. Okay, do you know this guy? And I do draw random things like a leaf. Say something about the eyes. And today I try to bring out the teeth. I usually don't draw such details. Okay. This is a practice of the previous day. It should be a sketch of a woman. Maybe you should go back on the last video and see the full video for this one. Yeah, this is a few days ago, practicing the same face. It's like I have to draw 1,000 faces 1,000 times before this one. I'm sure you are already familiar with, and thank you so much for following me and for making this possible and always engaging me. These usually take 10 to 30 minutes at most. So these are the details.